Hi there, you guys, and welcome back to SA Social Media News, where we get to bring you the hottest tip and happening entertainment news. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't done so.
My name is Senzo Meyiwa, brother of the late Senzo Meyiwa. I just want our nation to know that these people who are investigating my brother's case, one of them called me on the 29th of March. She is Colonel Motsohi. She said she want to have a meeting with me because there's an investigation against me with allegations of corruption. So now I'm waiting for them to come and charge me. Yes, they are trying to threaten me. They are trying to threaten me because of something that I discovered in the case. They don't know that the word threaten does not exist in my world because I am an ambassador of the kingdom of God. I am walking with God, the Most High God. Even Advocate, therefore, is also receiving threatening phone calls. Yeah, because they are afraid of what is going to happen in court on the 11th of April. They are going to be embarrassed.
The late soccer star's brother of Senzo Meyiwa took a video to tell the nation that he was being threatened for what he has uncovered in the latest development of his brother's case, who was brutally murdered back 8 years ago in the house of his ex-girlfriend in Fros Lures, you guys. Sfiso said the information he has might embarrass and possibly put the perpetrators in jail for his brother's murder, and he lives under the protection of God. Do engage with me in comment section below.